Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. A little bit of a misty day here in San Diego. This hedge or shrub near my front door is getting a jump on the growing season. It was getting pretty big and sticking out, so I decided to trim it back. I got a new tool. It's a Milwaukee. That's the power head. It's m18 is the battery. I like it pretty nice. It's got a strap because it's pretty heavy when you get that cutter on one end and a battery and a power head on the other head. It's pretty heavy. The only trouble is they put the balance point is right about here. All right, if I picked it up, the balance is right there, and they've got it here. So I'm going to try and rig something up with a piece of strap so that I can move it up to this place here. It goes together, two pieces. You loosen this up, you shove this in, it engages with a splined power shaft inside, and it clicks. So that's pretty easy. I'm not going to take it apart. The hedge part will swivel about 270 degrees so that you can set it up to cut the top. You can twist it and cut along the top like that, like my hand is cutting along the top. And then you can just put it straight and hold it this way and cut that way. It works pretty good. They say it cuts up to a 1 inch. I think that's an exaggeration unless they're talking about some 50-year-old hollow bamboo that's 1 inch, but it has a little bit of a hard time. But you can see what it cut through there. It's not a clean cut like a handheld trimmer or lopper. It shreds the end of it pretty good, but I guess that's going to be okay. If you want all clean cuts, then you don't want this tool. So here's the box it came in. M18 fuel, they call this stuff. You can't buy just that power head. You have to buy a tool with it. So I bought this weed whacker with it. I'll show you on another video how that works. But this whole thing came like that. You see it? It's got pretty good power with the M18 battery. There's a bunch of attachments, pole saw. This is the, I guess what I got is brush cutter. Yeah. And there's an edger that's a different kind of tool. I got the brush cutter. It's got a power broom, a couple of kinds of power brooms. I'm not sure what the point is of those. Here's a picture of the balance. It could have done a little bit better on the balance. And then if I put an extension on this, which there's an extension you can go on here, it's going to make it even more tool heavy. So I would have to move this balance even more. So it is what it is. Anyway, give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Put something down in the comments if you have any questions about it. I'll answer the questions. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye. And that looks kind of hacked up, but it'll grow in and look pretty nice in a few weeks. And hedges are always like that. They look rough when you first cut them, and then they start to look nicer. Okay, bye-bye.